In this video, we'll show you if someone has a broken zipper that is not functioning properly, how to take out the zipper and replace it without opening any pleats, stuff like that. First, you start with a seam ripper and be careful only to take the stitches. You could go from the back of the zipper if you want to be more careful. Once you have it, you could just simply rip it open. Okay, and then you'll remove the stitches. Over here, you have to go in from the inside of the waistband a little bit and seam ripping it out. Once you get it out, you have over here, so it's out from here. Pull away the excess stitches and you start from the other side the same way. So you're getting rid of the old zipper first. Once you have one, you could just simply rip the stitches. Over here where it's tacked, you take the seam ripper a little bit careful not to rip the garment. Yeah, okay. Once you have that out, all the excess thread. And again, where it's holding in the waistband, so you're going in a bit until you can yank it out, and that's step one. So step one is to remove the zipper and remove the threads. Step two is to change the foot on your machine, and you want to have a foot that looks like this, which has the two sides. And we're going to be using two sides of that zipper foot. You take the replacement zipper, which is a 7-inch zipper, black. It's non-visible, it's a regular zipper. Open it up, and we'll tuck in this part into the waistband. Best is to match the color of the thread. So in this case, we're using green. The bottom bobbin is black, but it doesn't matter. The bottom bobbin, it could be any color. We're using a straight stitch, and we start from the top. So you're going with the zipper stop under the waistband, and we go back. So we just did the top part. Raise it, turn it, drop the foot, and then we're going to come all the way straight down. Go straight. Tacking, picking up, and that's one side to the zipper is done. So you got the top, which is in the waistband, is being held nicely all the way till the bottom. Now you switch sides on the zipper foot and you're going to the other side, and we're going to be tucking in this side into the waistband. And again, the same idea that the zipper stop should be under the waistband. You don't want it to hit the needle and break the needle while you're going over it. So once you're in there, we're just going to go on top like this over the waistband and then go down. Drop the foot, go back, raise it while the needle is in. Again, we're just lining it up, and we're going to go basically in the same line of stitches that was before. And you go pretty much midway to 3/4 down, and you stop. Lower the needle, then you close the zipper. Close the zipper once it's past that, and just make sure from the bottom that you're not sewing on the other side of the skirt. So like this, you're straightening it out. Okay, nothing is on the bottom that you're sewing, only this first layer. Okay, just to see, we're continuing on straight. Now you go past where the zipper stop was, a little bit lower. Raise it while it's down, turn it. Drop it down. And it drop back up. And that's going to make it. And that's it. That completes your zipper. Just cut away the excess thread. And as simple as that. And it's all done. And there you have it. Thank you. Hope this helps.